guys, so this is just a quick video. I had some questions about reports and how we figure out how many lessons a student has done a day. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Frederick Douglass, and I'm going to go to Menu. And over on this menu, there are reports, okay? If you click on that, it actually takes you to a thing where you can create reports. And the nice thing about this is you can set it up once, and it stays here, and you can pull it every day, okay? So I have already set up a report called Lessons Yesterday. I'm going to make a new one so you can see how it works. So I'm going to click Create Report, and I'll just call this Lessons Practice. I hesitate because I don't want to crowd up my my things. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to move this. Okay. Next step. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to do it on individual students or everyone. I just grabbed the enrollment by course section. You can do this with students too, and come down here and click Select All, and done. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the next one. This is going to be a one-time. Okay, I'm not going to share it, although we can set it up to share. Okay, and now to pull just the previous day, I'm going to come in and I'm going to put in that date. So every time you pull this, you will have to do this. So I want to know how many students did lessons on the 12th, and that's to the 13th, right? And it's going to give you all this data, okay? I'm going to go ahead and I only want active. I only want the first name and last name. I only want the section name. I don't want any of the demographics. And I want total activities and total activities completed. Now this is, and I double check this, just going to give it to you for this day. So this will be the activities that they completed from the 12th to the 13th. I meant to change that to the 12th. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next step, and then I can generate report. And what this is going to be is a CSV file. So you will have to either use Excel to do it, or you will have to load it into a Google Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. So I'm going to download that. Okay. And then I'm just going to do Sheets New. And I'm going to go ahead and import it into here. So I'm going to go Import, Upload, grab it from my file. Now, some of you, I like to put everything into a Google Sheet just because that's where I keep stuff, okay? And I can actually import this file into this sheet. So I'm going to click Insert New Sheets, and it's going to put my Courseware audit report, and I have the total number of activities that the students completed on this day. I hope this will help you with your reporting. Have a great week.